Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss about the get Bitcoin price in real time using Python. So you can also mention the price within seconds with scripting, Python scripting. So let's start. Bitcoin, you know very well, the Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency. It is decentralized digital currency without any central bank. So I am put here some theory. So let's start and some requirements. Okay, I you can see it. I will mention here some requirements. Okay, install request and we are using also beautiful soap, so I will add here. First of all, we get prices from this algorithm. Here is to library. We request to the Bitcoin price. So you can see it method to process of the coin. You mention the coin name. You here you get price. Now then you one class get method, so getting the request of the URL then convert into the text, so you can finding the method of the currency currency price. Okay, here is our URL. You can you are not available anytime to get price. You can put here algorithm and you will get very within seconds, just like I will share you show you. First of all, we go to the same directory. I am already in same directory Python. Here my script name bitcoinp.py. Okay, you can see the price of the Bitcoin, Pakistani rupees. Okay, this algorithm will be helpful for you get the price of the Bitcoin. Then we are going to the second algorithm, Bitcoin price. Here is same process, but in this so we cannot get use beautiful soap, only request. Here is our Bitcoin URL. Okay, then we mention the data JSON format, then print the prices of the just like a USD rate. Okay, then also mention the Bitcoin prices euro and GB. So you can see the bill very basically simple algorithm. So splitting the functions and simple UR hit the URL and get price from a JSON format. Also we can test it Python. Okay, this file name is Python Bitcoin price.py. You can see Bitcoin is currently how much dollar, euro, and rupees. So you can see that data process in Coindex is the USD dollar. You can see. I will share you openly. So this code in this directory you can get from here, link in description. So hope you like it. Please support our channel for more getting informational updates.